Hello and welcome to another video. This is WTI crude oil 240-minute chart. Let's see where is our resistance, where is our support, and can we have a good sell position or buy position in this week's or no. Let's start. If look at this channel here carefully, you can see this resistance here. We don't know yet this resistance here work or no. We can't say 100%, but look at 60-minute chart. This is WTI crude oil 60-minute chart. Maybe we have this harmonic pattern here. And here is our Fibonacci retracement. (78.6%) plus 200% Fibonacci expansion. Okay, we have a good resistance here. If this resistance here work, it can like here. Okay. Look at this channel here in 60-minute chart. It's not perfect channel, but maybe it work. Here is our upper line from this channel. Here is our resistance. Maybe we have a bullish market until here and then here. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget money management. Don't forget like and subscribe.